Up everyone, how are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again, in this video, I'm talking about the Cardano Ada. Absolutely, my friends, at this time, as you know, it is the end of month, so the price of Cardano is very badly fast down. And my Instagram is fulfilled of the messages of my friends, especially my viewers, my subscriber, that what should we do at this time? Oh my goodness, a lot of people were very worrying about that. Is why the price of Cardano is fast down, my friends. So finally, in this video, I have a good news for all of you, and I give you a reason why the price of Cardano is fast down, my friends. Keep watching this video till the end, friends, and if you are new to my channel, so please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. My friends, first of all, we look the latest update and latest price of the Cardano in the market. So you can see here at this time the latest price of Cardano is 1.55 USD dollar. That is the current price of Cardano in the market. Same like that, as I told you, my friends, that the price of Cardano is very badly fast down the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week pricing is only negative, except after last 1 week, the last 1 hour, last 1 day pricing is negative. So people worrying about that why the price is quick fast occur in the Cardano. Let me show you, my friends, and I have good news for all of you. You can see here at this time the price is occur in the Cardano huge fast down. You can see here this time fast down, fast down, fast down. The red candle represent the falling time of the Cardano, my friends. That is the last 1 month price chart after Cardano. So my friends, you can see here it is the start of month. In the start of month, the Cardano take a jump. You can see here this time focus on it. That is the start of previous month. I mean 4th May, 1 May, 2nd May, 3rd May. That is the start of new month, friends. And in these days, the Cardano take jump, friends. So maybe, my friends, my prediction about Cardano is that in the start of new June, in the start of new month, as you know, it is the end of month and the next June or coming soon. So in the start of June, my prediction about Cardano is that maybe they take a huge bump and they will give you good amount of profit. So that's my prediction about Cardano, my friends. And my friends, don't lose hope. Be active in the market. I hope that Cardano will give you good amount of profit in the future, and the price will again rise up in the start of June. Now this fast will continue for the next 1 day, 2 days. After 2 days, the price will again rise up and the price increase. Now, my friends, now it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. That's only my suggestion. I'm not ordering you, my friends. Remember, my friends, please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, my friends.